I'm Sudeep Manik, founder and CEO of B3NET, and welcome to our new segment that we will take you into the exciting world of hospitality in artificial intelligence or AI and its transformative role in the hospitality industry. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. AI is revolutionizing the hospitality industry in countless ways. One of the most significant is in customer service. AI-powered chatbots can handle bookings, answer guest queries, and provide personalized recommendations, offering seamless customer experience. AI is playing a crucial role in predictive analytics. By analyzing guest data and feedback, AI can predict guest preferences and needs, enabling hotels to provide personalized experience and improve guest satisfaction. AI is enhancing the guest experience in other ways too, from AI-powered room controls and adjusting lighting and temperature based on guest preferences to AI concierge services that provide personalized recommendation. AI is making stay more comfortable and enjoyable. AI is also optimizing hotel operations, from managing room availability to optimizing staff schedules to predicting maintenance needs. AI is making hotels more efficient and cost-effective. Let's not forget about food and beverage services. AI can manage inventory, predict sales trends, and automate order processing. This reduces waste, boosts sales, and improves customer service. AI is a powerful tool for marketing. By analyzing guest data, AI can personalize marketing messages, recommend promotions, and predict booking trends. This leads to more effective marketing and increased bookings. And let's not forget about the future. AI is at the forefront of emerging technologies like virtual reality for immersive booking experiences, autonomous vehicles for transportation, and biometrics for seamless check-ins. The possibilities are truly endless. So as you can see, AI is not just transforming hospitality, it's revolutionizing it. From customer service to operations to guest experiences, AI is making hospitality more efficient, personalized, and exciting. Whether you're a hospitality professional, a guest, or someone interested in the future of travel, these are exciting times. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of AI and hospitality.